Right, so I've got myself out of the house for a minute. We're going to go take some photos of some gannets. Right, good evening. We're out in Muriwai. We're going to have go get some photos of gannets and have a look around here. And we've come out in the evening, so it's hopefully, despite the wind, going to be quite picturesque. We're going to hit golden hour just right. So the Otokameru trail is not very long, it's concrete, it's easy to get to. The gannets come here every year to have chicks. The chicks are being quite big now, and I missed when they were little. Unfortunately, I was far too busy, but hopefully we can catch a few of them still. They're probably bigger than the parents by this stage, but we're going to have a look, see if we can catch a few of them as the sun comes down in golden hour, and hopefully get some really nice shots of some birds. I've got all my gear with me, so that I can switch to a longer lens, because I think I might want to get a little bit closer to them than usual. Otherwise, shooting on the trusty 18 to 135 lens. It's very bright, so I'm looking forward to that sun dipping down a bit. Might even get some spectacular sunsets. Anyway, thank goodness this is an easy walk. Well then, turn around here so you can see my face. That was the Gannet Colony at Muriwai. So, hope you enjoyed this little excursion to get some photos. The sun is still setting, as you can see, or not see. It's still quite high in the air. I'm going to hang around and grab some shots. Otherwise, I'll talk to you when it's less windy in the car. Sun setting, this is what we came here for. Gorgeous, right? Let's go check it out. You see me alright. So there we go. That was the Gannet Colony at Muriwai. Got some great shots of some birds. Lots of blurry photos of birds whizzing past the camera out of focus to delete. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I've got my affiliate links below too if you want to have a look at the gear that I use and possibly purchase some. I get a small commission, you pay no extra, and everybody wins. So check those out and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much. See you later.